What What do you do for living? Breathing air. I breathe air. That's for my living. I eat. I sleep. That's it. Anyway, I'm just kidding. You need to laugh. Just laugh your problem. I don't have work. That's why I don't have money. I'm waiting for someone to manage here. All about money. They say money can't buy happiness. No, it's not true. You cannot buy your food. You're hungry. You'll be hungry if you don't have money. Who else down there believe that money can't buy happiness? If you come here in Thailand, if you don't have money, you don't have happiness. No happy ending. You need massage, and then your money not enough. No happy ending. Who told you money can't buy happiness? Yeah, a lot of people say that money can't buy happiness. Happiness is really wrong. Because if you don't have money, you keep fighting each other, you don't have food to eat. Your stomach is empty. If you believe that, you'll be hungry. Oh my god. So funny. I'm so funny. I'm crazy. Don't bother me, guys. I'm just crazy. Make you laugh. Your problems will go away for today's video. your today's life will you to my mouth is flicking. I cannot talk no more. If someone passed this life today, just face in the mirror and say, I'm pretty, I'm handsome, and then laugh loud. Laugh out loud. And then your problem will gonna release. But then don't laugh so much. You'll be gone to hospital in a mental hospital if you keep laughing also. My doctor say that I need to rest and take some medicine. Oh my goodness. Guys, have you okay? Yeah, my boyfriend is here. I don't know where he go, but he's driving around in Pattaya. Chico, my boyfriend is from UK. He's a English person. He's an English mafia. I got a lot of friend here. It's called Dave. Hey, what's the name of this channel? Cheap Dave, Cheap Charlie, Chunbury, and Tony in Thailand. I forgot what's his name. And and then my birthday is June 12th. He tried to give me some small cake. And then it's funny because it's what we call this one. It's so windy, and then he tried to light the candle. It won't light up because it's windy. When we go for a date, we date. I cannot accept your date because I'm not single no more. I'm single only in a passport and birth certificate, but in real life, I got Jimbo the Wonker. If you like Chico, I will find for you. Do you want Filipina or you want what we call this one? Thai lady. Let me know. I am your what we call this one today? Bridge for your happiness. Anyway, my food is